Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain chapter 1 of class 10. As you can see, the chapter name is Vedic Mathematics. We are going to start from exercise 1.1. The first question is we have to add by Shunyat number method. So in this method, when we write down the question in such a way that the question should arrange according to the column wise. In first column, take two numbers, units place number and second tens place number, and in second place just take hundreds place number and thousands place number. In third column like this, adjust the two numbers from the question, write that along the column wise. Now since we have to add by Shunyat method, that's why we'll start from the first column from units place. That is, the first column is of 73, 70, 54, 89, 75 and 0 and 1. So we'll start by adding this. So first add in rough. In this question, rough work is very necessary because from rough work only we'll get idea where these dots will come. These dots are representing the Ekadikena dots. So first we'll add 73 and 70. When we'll add it, the answer will come 143. So here this one will partially will cut it, and instead of this one, here before 70 the number is written is 4. So you have to put here Ekadika dot. So this one came here as Ekadika dot. Now for further addition, we are remained with only 43. So 43. Now here what is the next number? 54. So 54 will come here. Now see students, first we wrote here 73. Then we wrote here 70. We added it. So answer came 143. So this one we put here as Ekadika dot. So now we are summation of these two we obtained as only, we should assume as it as only 43. Now I wrote here 54. Now we'll add them. So that will give us the answer 97. Now since there is no 1, so we'll move further selecting the number here. So after 54, what number we have here? 89. So we'll write here 89. Now again we'll add them. When we'll add it, the summation is 186. So this one partially just cut it, and this one because we added 89 recently. So before 89, what number we have here? 2. So this one will come here as Ekadika dot, and we for further summation we'll carry only 86. So till this step we added 89. Now it's turn of 75. So 75 will write here. So you have to add only 86 and 75. So when you will add them, you will get answer 161. So this one you just partially cut it. This one you have to write down whatever number recently you added. The recently added number is 75. So the number which is before 75 is 0. So this one you have to put as Ekadika dot over 0. Now, so for next summation only 61 will move. So after 75 it's turn of 0 and 1. So we'll write here 0, 1. We'll add them. So answer will come 62. So in answers place, just write down 62. So this first column summation is completed. Now we'll move to the second column summation. In second column we'll start by 78. So I wrote here 78. Now students, the meaning of this dot is Ekadika dot. Ekadika means Ek Adhik. So you have to do Ek Adhik here. So when you will do Ek Adhik means one more. So add 1 in this. So you will get here 85 because it's 84. So when you will add one more, that is 8 adhik, you will get 85. So 78 plus 85 will give you 163. So this one again just partially cut, and recently added number is 85. So the number which is written before 85 is 5. So put here Ekadika dot. So this one came here as Ekadika dot. Now so summation of these two we obtained as 163. One went as Ekadika dot. So we are remained with only 63. Now after 85, what number we have in second column? That is 68. So we'll write here 68. Add them. When you will add here, you will obtain 131. So this one again will move as ekadika dot. Now what number we have before 68? Before 68 we have here 4. So over 4 write down ekadika dot. So and now 31. So after 68 what number we have here? So what is it? It's 32, but because of this ekadika dot we have to do one more. So it's going to be 33. So here just write down 33. Add them. 31 plus 33 is 64. Then after 31, after 32 we have now here 31. Why 31? Because of this ekadika dot this becomes 31. So we wrote here 31. So 64 plus 31 is 95. Now after 31 it's turn of 54. So write here 54. So it's become 149. So this one also partially just cut it. So recently you added the number is 54. So before 54 you have 6 here. So this one will come as ekadika dot here, and only you are remain with 49. So this 49 just write down in answer. So students, what you understand from these two columns, that if you are getting extra one like this one and this one, so these numbers are moving as ekadika dot over the number which is just added number, that is 70. So preceding number is 4 here. So like this it came. So I hope now method is clear to you. Now final column is of 83 and this. So we wrote here 83. Now how to read it? It's 65, but one ekadika dot is here, so it's 66. So we wrote here 66. Add them. When you will add, you will get 149. This one you just partially cut and put ekadika dot which is just before 66. So before 66 you don't have any number. See in the question carefully, there is no number before 66, but we have to put ekadika dot. So additional 0 you just introduce from yourself and put ekadika dot over it, so that we are able to mention this one as ekadika dot. Now for the next step, from here we'll pick what is it now, 75, because of this ekadika dot. So this 75 will write here, we'll add it, we'll get 124. So this one again we have to put as ekadika dot, but there is no number, so we'll write here 0, and over it we'll put dot. So this one went. Now we are remain with 24. Now recently we added 75. Now it's turn of 98. So we write here 98. 24 plus 98 is 122. So this one will again move to the number which is preceding to 98. So the number which is preceding to 98, there is no number, so I wrote here 0, and over 0 just put ekadika dot. Then 22. Now it's after 98 it's turn of 49. So write here 49. Add them. When you will add, you will get 71. Now after 49 is turn of, what is it, 57, because of this ekadika dot. So add them, you will get 128. Now this one you just write down as ekadika dot over the number which is just preceding the 57. So before 57 there was no number, so write down 0 and put to 1 dot here to represent it as ekadika dot. Now we are remain with only 28. So this 28 you just write here. Finally add all these ekadika dot. So this is 1, because 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. So we will get here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So answer is 4 here. So the answer is this. Now in this question, students, in board exam, sometimes this question used to come in 3 marks. In that you require to write the steps. You can see the dash works. In that they had wrote the steps also. But if the same question will come in very short, steps are not necessary. Only till here you should complete. Now we'll move to write down the steps. So these steps, what you had done here, according to that just write the steps. Mention in your own language, unless bookish language is going to be very difficult. So just see what we have done here. 73 plus 70. The answer came as 143. So I wrote here as 143. So then just write down. So mark an ekadika dot on 4 which is before 70. Just see, before 74 is there. So put here ekadika dot. Now in the same way, the next just explain this step. 43 plus 54, that is 97. Then 97 plus 89 is 186. So this you have to explain where this one went. Where this one went, over 2. So just see, 43 plus 54 is 97, and 97 plus 89 is 186. So we wrote here 100 plus 86. So mark an ekadika dot on 2 which is before 89. In the same way, write down for the one complete column. Means it's sufficient to write down the steps for this column, and after writing the steps for this column, as I mentioned here, write here hence means similarly remaining addition process will be completed. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am going to explain question second of exercise 1.1 of class 10th. As you can see, the question is add by Sunyanth method. So this chapter is Vedic mathematics chapter. So as I explained the first question in my previous video, when you will write down the question in column wise of 2 numbers. Make the group of 2 numbers. That is from back side, units place start, units place and tens place column, then hundreds place and thousands place column, then 10,000 and lakhs place column. Like this, just create the gap and write down. Now we'll start the addition process. In this rough work is very necessary, students. When you will start from the units column. First just write down 36, then write down 28. So add them. When you will add, you will get here 64. Now these 2 numbers we added. Now it's turn of 99. So write down 99 here. Add them. When you will add, you will get here 163. So this one you just partially cancel and write the ekadika dot of the digit which is written just before 99 in your question. So the number which is written just before 99 is 9. So this one will come as ekadika dot here. And now for further addition, only 63 will go. Now till here we added 99. Now it's turn of 21. So write here 21. Add 63 and 21. You will get 84. That's why in units place and tens place of your answer write down 84. Now we'll start from the middle column. Write here 97 and then 57. Add them. The summation is 154. Partially just cancel this one and write the ekadika dot on the digit which is written just before 57. So the number which is written just before 57, you can see 6. So mark an ekadika dot over this. Then for the further addition, only 54 will go. Now after 57, it's turn of 39 and then one ekadika dot. So because of this one ekadika dot, 39 becomes ekadik just do. So 39 plus 1 is 40. So when you will add here, write down 40. So 54 plus 40 is 94. So till 40 we added. Now we'll add 43 finally here. So 94 plus 43 will give you 137. So this one again just partially cancel and put the ekadika dot on the digit which is appearing just before 43. So we'll see the number which is appearing before 43 is 5. So over 5 put ekadika dot. So this one moved as ekadika dot here. So what is remained here? Only 37. So this 37 write down under this column, that is this middle column. Write here 37. In column wise just adjust them. Now the final column is of 32. So we wrote here 32. You can see. Then it's what is it now? 47. Because of this ekadika dot, 46 converts to 47. Write here 47. Add 32 and 47. That will give you 79. Then 62 add here. Summation of these two is 141. So again this one appeared. So one partially just cancel and put ekadika dot on the digit which is appearing just before 62. So we'll see what is 60. Which digit is appearing before 62. So when you will observe in the question, the 0 is not here. I introduce this 0. So students, if you have to put ekadika dot and if digit is not available, then you can introduce one additional 0 and put ekadika dot on this. So this 1 appeared here as ekadika dot. So now what is the next number here? 56 because it's 55. Because of this ekadika dot, it's 56. So this 56 will write here. So 41 plus 56 is 97. So this 97 write down here. Now this ekadika dot plus 0, it is 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is the sum of these these digits by Sunyanth method. So in Sunyanth method, you have to take two digits, means column of two numbers like this, and then add it. And after summation, if you are getting one, that is 100, this 100 will come as ekadika dot on the number which is preceding the digits. Now students, this question can come in very short, that time steps are not necessary, but if the question is coming in 2 or 3 marks subsequently, then steps are necessary. You can see in your desk work, they are written the steps. So in steps, you just write, explain what you have done here, explain only one column, and for remaining column just write down similarly like this we have to complete. So what we have done here, we added 36 and 28, we obtained 64. So that is our step first. So in step first I wrote here 36 plus 28 is 64. Then what we have done in next, 64 plus 99 is 163. So 64 plus 99 is 163. But here what we have done, this one we cancelled, and here we put here ekadika dot. Why? Because this 163 we can write as 100 plus 63. So hence we mark ekadika dot on 9 which is before 99, because you see the 9 which is before 99 we put the ekadika dot. That step just write down in your own language. Then after that what we had done, we had already explained about this one. Now we had added 21 with the 66. That is your next step. 63 plus 21 is 84. Now what we had done with this 84, we wrote it in the answer. So write down, hence at answer place, at tens and units place, we write 84. And then for remaining columns, that is this column and this column, just write down only. Similarly, remaining addition process will be completed. Thank you.